Welcome back to Cooking with Candy. Today I'm going to make one of our favourite soups, tomato and lentil. If you like it, please remember to like and subscribe down at the bottom. Thank you. There are so few ingredients. You need 1.5 litres of stock, a garlic clove, 2 chopped onions. They don't need to be too finely chopped because you're going to blitz it. I've used red here because that's what I've got, but you can use white onions as well. 75 grams of small pasta. I've used a rosso, but any small pasta will do. 50 grams of red lentils, 2 teaspoons of basil, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and a 400 gram can of tomatoes. Now we're going to start making the soup, and it is so easy. First of all, I'm going to put the onions into my pan. I have chopped these up reasonably small, but you don't need to because it's all going to be blitzed at the end. There we go. Give it a bit of a stir, break them up a bit. Now I'm going to add the garlic. Once the onions have softened, I'm going to add 50 grams of red lentils. Give those a stir. Now I'm going to add 400 gram can of chopped tomatoes. Push them up a bit. Stir those around. Then we're going to add tomato puree. This is 2 tablespoons. Teaspoons of dried basil, and I'm going to add 2 stock cubes. And next I'm going to add 1.5 litres of water. Stir, bring it to the boil, and once it's come to the boil, turn the heat down to a simmer and put the lid on and let it simmer for half an hour, and that's it, almost done. Once your soup has been cooking for 30 minutes, turn the heat off and let it cool for a little while. Not too much because you're going to use one of these. And if it splashes up too much, it's going to get you hot. I usually wreck my tops doing this, but here goes. Let's turn it down a little bit to start with. Now we're going to blitz this until everything in here is all pureed together. There we go, all done. But I actually didn't manage to get any over my top. Isn't that good? Now once you've done that, all you have to do is return it to the heat. And pour in the 75 grams of pasta. it back to a simmer and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Your soup is ready to serve. Once your soup has cooked for 8 to 10 minutes and your pasta is done, pour it into a bowl. Look at this. Isn't this just gorgeous? Sprinkle on a bit of Parmesan, a bit of basil, and there you have it. Tomato and lentil soup served with Parmesan cheese and fresh bread. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. My hob has just switched itself off.
Oh, gosh!